That ain't good. Okay. Try cleaning that transmission off and make it look a little bit better. I'll put 2-stroke and everything. I'm trying to find the wand part. No idea what I did with that. I put it somewhere that I wouldn't lose it. Gotta get all the air out. So it's got it clean, but now I'm taking this top shifter part off and there's a big crack. So now we got to figure that out. Just on the last bolt here. And the crack's on like the transmission body side. Like it's right here, but on this side, so it'll be getting JB Weld or something, or it'll leak. All right, let's see what we got here. So this part's good. It's like they use Colgate toothpaste for a gasket. Cracks right here on this bolt hole. It's a mess. But I think what I'll do, I'll just clean with a tap, I'll clean the threads up on these. Silicone, really pull it down nice with the 3 of them, and then do this one last and just snug it up and hope for the best. I think now I'll go to Napa, get some paint, get the motor mounts for the car, because they're in, come back and give her a coat. Alright, so I made it home, and I kind of fit everything. So I got reducer for primer, or sorry, activator. Paint for the transmission. Paint for the transmission. My hat. And one motor mount, two motor mount, and the boxes. Alright, let's see what happens here. Well, it's turning blue. Alright, so I got it painted. I think it turned out pretty good. I'm gonna let it sit out here and bake for the rest of the day, but I cleaned it quite well. The paint seems to be good. There's no reaction to the grease or oil or whatever. I'm pretty happy with that. And there's that crack I was talking about. So I'm gonna get a bolt in the 3 holes here. And this side I'll just have to clamp as much as it can. Maybe I'll try to put a nut on the back. Silicone. And the top plate that goes on that, not good. It has an even bigger crack. So it's cracked all along the top, like this whole piece. Oh, there you go. I'm gonna have to replace this. This is a Hurst one, so I don't know if that's original or they just used Hurst or if it's aftermarket. No idea. And it's at that same corner. So when they put it on, they must have been fighting something and just torqued her down and blew it all apart. That ain't good. That's why when you're tightening a bolt and it don't feel right, well, it's probably not right. Just take a peek at it. All right, I'm gonna put this thing in the garage now. Over here, put this automatic. I have to get out of here and put somewhere else. So, oh man. I wonder if that'll stay there. We're definitely out flying around today. Alright, so this video, you know, nothing crazy. Cleaned the transmission, pressure washed it, sprayed it down with cleaner, and painted it. The only way this car's getting done is if I do that every day. Just do something. So, it is coming together. Still waiting for the rod bearings for the motor. Once they come in, like the rings are done, it's honed, it's ready to go back together. So as soon as those bearings come in, that motor's going together in one day. Transmission's going on, it's going in the car, and then that's when I can make the engine or the transmission mount on the body, because it's a different transmission. Doesn't fit exactly the way the original one did, so there's a bit of fabrication involved there, but it's not a big deal. Alright, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Later.